Authors and writers, one of the questions I get lots is, should I have a blog? And I go around and around with a lot of website developers who think, no, don't waste your time here. I'm of the opinion you should have a blog. Whether you're fiction or nonfiction, that is irrelevant to me. There is so much that you can share about your writing journey and what you're doing, and about your story developing and engaging fans as a fiction author. Nonfiction certainly is simpler because you've got all these chapters with tips and strategies and how-tos and fixes and all kinds of things. But blogging does build your expertise. And because you blog, hopefully regularly, on that kind of a basis, that you're feeding juice to the search engines, which is always important for building the influence factor. So, with questions I want to ask you is, where are you on your blogging scale? Are you doing it? How often are you doing it? Is your blog posted on your website? Once it's posted, do you shout it out into your social media channels with a link to your website that you have a new blog? How committed are you to do this? I mean, so many times people would start these things and then they would abandon them after a month or so because, their work. Well, yep, they are. Do you post weekly, which is what I would recommend you do? I mean, some people, I have a blog that goes out twice a week, but you don't need to do that. You can do it once a week. And how long should it be? Oh, who knows? It could be really short. It could be just what I call chewy, with something with an idea, a tidbit for an action that someone can do. Is there a common theme with what you do? Do you use images or insert any videos in it? Remember that to be successful here, you want to pick a day. I wouldn't do Sundays. Most likely, I'd probably stay away from Saturdays, but Saturday could be very effective. I would stay away from Monday, unless it was a very shorty Monday moment, something to kick off the week. Something that might be fun and letting it go. But whatever day you choose, that's your day. And that's the day you're going to do it. And it's irrelevant if a holiday, a special event, or you're on vacation. You can set up those things ahead of time so you're always there. My tip for today, please share it with others.